So I'm at Menlyn. I'm here to take a parcel from Pixie, and then I'm gonna send it Hape. Then I'm gonna do a few things, and then heading back to sleep because I went home, took a bath, came to Menlyn, then I'm gonna sleep. Because it's very annoying when you have to sleep and then wake up again and then utome office and then you have to now take a bus and then go so it's much easier in the morning. I want to Valentine match. Yeah, let me get a t-shirt because they usually have like really nice deals here. Naruto. Not a fan, but yeah, the t-shirt is fire. Discount. Yeah. Time to go sleep. Alright. In, out, a smushes cat.